Okay, minasan, konnichiwa, Zamurai Engineer desu. So in this lecture video, we will again continue our review module, and now we are on number 3. This module is about sensors and transducers. So let's continue. Please clarify if the sound is clear. Okay, let's continue. So for question number 1 for this third module, what converts physical input into output among the basic parts of a measuring system? A. Transducer or sensor. B. Signal conditioning. C. Intelligence. D. Display. So, a transducer or a sensor is a sensing device used to convert physical input to output, especially voltage. Signal processor performs functions such as filtering and amplification, while intelligence enables sensor level of signal processing, the ability to communicate with other sensors and subsystems. The display is used for online monitoring or processing. Therefore, the answer to this is letter A. Okay, so number 2, the analog to digital conversion in a measurement system takes place inside blank. A. Transducer. B. Signal processor. C. Display. D. LED. So, a signal processor is used for purpose of analog to digital conversion in a measuring system. A transducer or a sensor is a sensing device used to convert physical input to output, especially voltage. The display is used for monitoring or processing. Therefore, the answer to this is letter B. Okay. Number 3, a thermocouple is a transducer. Is it true or false? A thermocouple is a transducer that converts temperature into a small voltage. That is what we mean by transducer, converting one form of signal into another, temperature into voltage. Okay? These are generally used for temperature measurement. Okay? So the answer is true. The light emitting diodes or LED are used as an A. Intelligence, B. Display, C. Transducer, D. Sensor. The light emitting diodes or LEDs are used as display devices. A transducer or a sensor is a sensing device used to convert physical input to output, especially voltage. Intelligence enables sensor level of signal processing, the ability to communicate with other sensors and subsystems. So therefore, the answer to this is letter B. Number 5. Which type of error is caused due to friction or electrical capacitance? A. Hysteresis. B. Zero. C. Systematic. D. Random. Okay, so hysteresis errors are always due to friction or electrical capacitance. So the answer to this is A. Number 6. Accuracy is the difference between a true value and the measured value. That is the mathematics equivalent of dealing with accuracy. It is a difference between a true value and measured value. It is always given in percentage of a full-scale output of the measurement system. Okay, therefore, it is true. Which type of error always has the same and consistent value? A. Random errors. B. Systematic errors. C. Zero errors. D. Hysteresis errors. Always has the same. It is a systematic error. Random errors are unpredictable and varying. Hysteresis errors are always due to friction and electrical capacitance. Therefore, the answer to this is letter B. The largest value for which the instrument output remains 0 is blank. A. Hysteresis error. B. Resolution. C. Sensitivity. D. Dead zone. Okay. Dead zone is the largest value of the measured variable for which the measurement output stays 0. Hysteresis errors are always due to friction and electrical capacitance. Sensitivity is the smallest absolute amount of change that can be detected by measurement. Resolution is the discrete nature of the measurement system, which will not allow them to follow an exact continuous change in measure run. Okay? So measure run meaning the physical phenomena that we would like to measure. So therefore, the answer to this is letter D. Number 9. The function of the data transmission element is blank. A. To transfer data from one element to another. B. To modify data. C. To process the data. D. To separate the signal hidden in the noise. Transmission is used to transmit data from one element to another. The data processing element is used to modify the data, okay, display, and separate data from noise. So the function of the data transmission is to transmit or transfer data from one element to another. That is letter A. Number 10. Which elements among the following is used to modify the data before display? A. Data presentation. B. Data transmission. C. Data processing. D. Variable manipulation element. Data processing element is used to modify the data before display. Variable manipulation is used to manipulate the signal. Data transmission is used to transmit. Data presentation element communicates. So, the element which is used to modify is processing element. So, letter C. So, again, this is Dr. AP preaching engineering for nation building. We will see you immediately after this on the next live stream.